Hey there people, Tim here again. I'm going to give you some important information. If you own a GMC product, or just about any product, and you're trying to connect your fuel pump before you install your gas tank, the wiring to your new fuel pump is going to be long enough for you to lay this fuel tank on the ground and actually run through a test before putting your fuel tank up in there. I installed the tank and I ran this black and white striped wire to the red and white striped wire, which, come to find out, oh, there it is not the way to run it. You would assume that a solid black wire would go to the solid black wire, and it in some cases does not on these aftermarket fuel pumps. So in this case, the solid black wire went to the red and black wire. This is on a 2002 Chevy Blazer 4.3. Of course, the purple goes to purple, and the gray goes to gray, which actually appears to be white. And this is your power. But after I installed the fuel tank, it didn't work. So one ground actually comes from the box, and it goes to a series of other grounds. And the other ground goes to the frame of the truck. So you have to make sure that your ground wires, two black wires, one coming from either side, are your ground wires, are connected to the right correct wires here and here. Do this before you install your tank. If you do not, and you put your tank up and your fuel pump doesn't work, and you're questioning what's going on, we actually pulled the tank, we tested the fuel pump, ran a series of tests on it, and come to find out, the striped wire, which should go to the striped wire, did not go to the striped wire. It went to the solid black wire. The solid black wire, which should go to the solid black wire, did not. It went to the black and red striped wire. So just be sure to test this before you reinstall your new gas tank and fuel pump. This is Tim. I'm a DIY mechanic, as I know you probably are, which is why you're watching these videos. So check this out. Do this before you install your tank, or you're not going to be happy. You guys have a nice day.